Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today is October 4th, 2021. My name is Tank, and we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Where are we in the market? Where might we be going in the short to near future? I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about everything. Before I do that, if you guys could do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are unaware, I actually have a humongous giveaway happening on this channel where I will be giving away a 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs. But if that was not good enough, there's more. I just recently decided to throw in on this giveaway one of my personal used MSI 2060 graphic cards that I've been using in my mining farm because I've been mining Ethereum for some time. I want to throw in that used MSI 2060 graphics card as well in this giveaway. So not only will one lucky subscriber be able to win possibly a 50-inch flat screen TV, somebody else will also win an MSI 2060 graphics card just for being supportive. So again, guys, if you want your chance to possibly win either a 50-inch flat screen TV or an MSI 2060 graphics card, all you need to do, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and when we hit 1,000 subscribers, guys, it could be you that wins those absolutely amazing products. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start with Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. And as always, I am using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool. The first thing I want to point out to you guys is we are trading at $48,650 as we make this video. We have cleared away from this dead zone or this gaping section of the VPVR, which is a good thing. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and bring out my illustrations that I have on the charts. As you guys can see, this transparent box here, the same box that we've been talking about for some time, where I've been calling this section of Bitcoin's price action the dead zone, we have clearly broken away from it and left it in the rearview mirror. That's a good thing, guys. I told you guys before in my past videos that I would much have rather seen us do stair-stepping movements like this. Instead, we actually did get that big parabolic move. Look, I'm not complaining. It is what it is. As long as we can maintain this current price action, that's all I care about. I do still think, to be honest with you, that we will probably come back down because with every pump, there's a dump, right? So we might come back down to this new transparent box that I have charted on here, which is basically just another representation of a big hole in the VPVR wall. This box is basically from right around $44,000, give or take, to about $47,000, give or take a couple $100 on Bitcoin's price. Again, I'm calling this the dead zone or our new dead zone. We need to stay above this current dead zone to remain bullish. Now we got up out of dead zone number 1, passed through dead zone number 2, got well above it. Now the likelihood of us coming back down is pretty high to test the top of this current dead zone, which again is right about $46,000. If we do see a retracement and come back down, we could bounce off of that. At least I'm hoping that we do bounce off of that and still remain bullish and see Bitcoin's price action rise in the short future. That probably will happen over the next 24 to 48 hours if we do see a dip in Bitcoin's price. Now, as I say that, I do want to point out to you guys on Market Cipher B, which is the lower section of the charts, we do currently have a green dot, which usually means that's a good buy signal. Now, I do like to have further signals line up for me to take a position, but I will say right now on the 4-hour time frame using Market Cipher B, we can see that the RSIs, which are a lagging indicator, have now rounded back up and are clearly pointing back up. We do show a buy signal and we are in the green as far as money flow goes. So right now, maybe a good time to possibly take a long, not financial advice, but I'm telling you, as for what I look for on Market Cipher is those 3 signals, and they're lining up right now on the 4-hour. Now, just so we can have further confirmation, let me quickly take a look at the 24-minute. The 24-minute, the only thing I'm seeing that's not really good is we went back into red as far as money flow goes. RSIs are pointing back up. If you actually make this a little bit cleaner to look at, you can see that we are still pinching into the green. So this might actually flip from red to green here shortly. And what I mean by pinching is what I'm looking for is this kind of rounding movement on the red wave right here, which is signifying money flow. If we can pinch it and come back up, I like curvature like this to the upside. Whenever we curve back up to the upside, this isn't the best representation of it, but whenever we curve back up to the upside and get back into the green and start making the wave cross over that 60 line and back over like that, that's what I look for. I look for that crossing moment right where it happens right here on the charts, but it looks like we might be getting that right now. A little bit too early to front run, but I do see curvature happening on the charts. Not great again, but I do see it there. if this flips back over, that might be, again, a good time for you guys to get in. As you guys can see, our past couple of candles here on the 24-minute time frame has showed us some pretty good gains happening. So again, this might actually cross over if we can maintain this momentum to the upside. Now, if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, another thing I want to show you guys is we have just been kind of consolidating right here where we've had Bitcoin price action before, which is a good thing, guys. It is an awesome thing to see Bitcoin's price action just kind of go sideways right here because we've been doing that. And if we just go sideways for a bit longer, that means we're just laying down a good level of support. We've been here before as support. We've been here before as resistance. We broke down from that previously, but that's okay. The big thing is that we're back at it currently. So as long as we go sideways right here, we could see momentum bring us to the upside yet again. Now, another thing I want to point out to you guys is not on the 4-hour time frame, but the weekly time frame. Let's go back down here to Market Cipher B. We just got another trigger on the weekly, guys. This needs to confirm in 6 days and 7 hours, but we just got that on the weekly time frame. The RSIs are pointing back up and we are back in the green. So again, guys, if you go back on the charts here on Market Cipher B, you can see that whenever we get these green dots on a weekly time frame, again, the bigger the time frame, the more strong that signal is. And in this case, we're talking about the green dots. Every single time we've got a green dot before and everything was matching up as far as the RSIs and the money flow, that brought us pretty good price increases on Bitcoin's chart. Now, it doesn't look like that, but if you're looking at Market Cipher B, when I expand it like this, but if you look at Market Cipher A, in comparison, the last time we got it right here, boom, right? The last time we got it right here, boom. Again, we could get one right here and easily bring us back up to $58,000. Real easily, guys. Real easily. So again, I just kind of wanted to point out to you guys right now, everything is looking a-okay in the market. We are seeing some red, and that's not very much. It's actually a pretty weak selling pressure that we have in on the charts as far as the red indication go here on TradingView. When I say red, that's what I'm talking about. Red is obviously selling pressure, but we are seeing some red on some of the charts. All in all, it's not bad though. We just had a humongous rally, so expect some selling pressure to come in. All in all, compared to what we just rallied up to, this is nothing as far as selling pressure goes. So this looks really good in my opinion, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are in profits. I hope you guys are realizing profits as they come. Guys, remember, stay in profits at all times. Protect yourself. Take profits as you see them. And with that being said, peace.